Okay, so today I built a overhead boom arm just out of 1/2 inch plywood. This is all leftover scraps. As usual, I look on YouTube, try to get a few ideas, combine them with what I would like to do, and this is what I came up with so far. So I'm not making any plans on this. I'm just showing you an inexpensive, fast way to do this. I have up here, that's just the parts that I could fit a couple discs up there. That channel is about 4.5 inches wide. Now, just got done. It's infinitely adjustable. I'm actually going to end up putting this over my lathe. This is just the quick sneak preview, and yeah, I think this is going to work. I put a couple holes in there because I do have a camera that has a hole in the bottom of it, but on a temporary basis I'm just using one of these little universal holders. And then I also have this little fixture here, and this will hold my iPad. So the part that's glued on right now is just a stop for when I slide the iPad in through here, and then this cutout here is so the camera can see out of it. So yeah, I think it's going to work just fine. Initially, I'm going to put this in my metal shop downstairs and support that channel bar a little bit better. I'm going to probably stain it and put some poly on it and then some wax. So if you're in the mood and need to have some type of arm, I have a wood shop and I'm going to play around it for an afternoon like I just did. This might work for you. So hope you like it. Hey, as long as I'm here, I got another arm here, a commercially available one, and I have this mounted over my table saw. So far, all I have on it is just a 1-inch hose that goes right above the blade, and I'm going to make a cover that fits on top of the blade. But so far that worked out real good in making this particular project. Now here's something I learned. I actually bought this thing to use for the blade dust collection, but when you neck down a 4-inch down to a 1-inch hose, almost all the vacuum capacity is diminished. So instead I just got a good old regular shop vac and went from 2 inches to that 1-inch hose, and as they say, that really sucks. So hope you learned something today. I sure did. And don't forget to like, comment.